Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsh Yashasvi from class 6B. I am here to explain you about BLDC motor. Its full form is its full form is brushless direct current motor. It is used for in PC fans, drones or refrigerators fans. It is also known as the fastest motor in the world or the drone motor. It looks like this. It is having it is out spinning or inside spinning motor. It is having many magnets and it is used in three-phase electricity as it is having three wires. This this motor is so fast that if you, this is having coils inside this and many magnets. This coil uses three-phase electricity uh, it works on three-phase electricity or rotating magnet. It is as the coils generate one magnetic field, as if you take a dry cell and one straight line, that is straight wire, and put it, so there will be an electric field generate on its, as these three-phase electricity works like this, that this is a coil here, one coil here, one coil here, one coil here, one coil here, and one coil here. Wait, one coil here, one here, one here, one here, one here, so that it will generate one electric field which will make one rotating magnet. It will start to spin in a circular way, as if you take one AC current coil, so it will first make one north south north, it will be north, and after few microseconds it will become as south. When we make like this, so it is works like this. For this I will use phrase 1, as this is known as brushless direct current motor, but it is working on the principle of AC current. Like this is 0, this is positive and this is negative, so works like this. So when this wave comes to the north, So it makes its pole like this is the north pole of a coil. So when it comes to the positive, this becomes north. As this comes like this to the north side, this is the highest point. So the magnet, if you are pointing here, so the magnet will become north from here and south from here. And as it comes to the negative point, this becomes south and that becomes north. So it makes one magnet which is alternating. When we use three-phase electricity, so there are few more also. Like this have started, this is ending. Now from here, I use phase number 2 also. So I need one more coil here. Now it will look like this. So it will generate field like this. After the phase 1, it will be the highest, and after it goes to the negative phase 1, then when it is going to the positive side, then only this phase 2 comes. Then comes the phase 3 also, in which we put coil here and here. So it makes one magnet here, one AC current here. You can't understand this, but I am explaining. So it uses three-phase electricity. Now that like this, there is one rotating magnet. This will, after few seconds, it will start to rotate very much faster. By this principle, it works. Now, if you want to generate one electricity, so you can generate by this also. As the magnet, if there is one coil, for coil I use this symbol. When we bring one magnet here, so this coil generates an electricity. If I bring the if I bring in this coil, I bring not pole near it, so it will generate one positive current. Means this line will start to generate one positive current, and then as this magnet goes it goes far away, so it starts to decrease, and when the south pole comes, so it goes to negative, and like this it makes one AC current. Now I am going to explain that how it is working. As here one coil is there, here one coil, here one coil, here one coil, here one coil, here one coil. I can show you by this holes also. You can see that here there are few coils showing copper wire coils. So these generate one rotating magnet, and by this rotating magnet, when a magnet is you can think that one north pole is here. Here is a north pole, and at the back side there is a south pole. So as this starts to rotate, so this also starts to rotate. When it rotates so fast, so this also starts to rotate faster and faster. One advantage of this is that it is brushless. The normal DC motor have brush, and that after few years we need to buy new one, as without